Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to get free scenery and legendary skin in Clash of Clans. Let's start. Click on the event icon. This event lasts for 12 days. If you participate this event, you will receive a decoration, a scenery, a legendary hero skin and other rewards. Now I will show you how to receive all of these rewards. There are two teams. Choose any one team to join. After joining, you will get all the rewards. Click on continue. Here you need to contribute star using battle attack. Only multiplayer battle attacks can be used to contribute star. Let's back to the event. Choose on any box and contribute the star. You need to contribute 200 stars. Then will you receive the legendary hero skin. If you contribute even 1 star in this event, you will receive a free scenery after the event ends. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.